Hello everyone, so it's that time of year again. That's right, insurance time. Insurance. I want to know, I'm not complaining about the fact that I can get my insurance significantly cheaper this year than I did last year, as in it's half the price. Last year it was 450, and this year I've got a quote of 200 for 1 year. And okay, maybe the bike's gone down in value because it's obviously going to be a year old, so that will have some impact on it. Obviously I've got a year of experience on the bike, that'll have some impact on it. But why is the current insurance company I'm using quoting me £100 more than what they quoted me last year? So obviously I'm going somewhere else. And in fairness to the insurance company, they did write me a letter saying they wouldn't automatically renew because there were better deals out there, which is the first time that's ever happened. Insurance companies piss me off. I've had a couple of bad experiences with insurance company, with Privilege. In 2012, I had a car written off, which was, I was not even in the vehicle at the time, it was stationary, parked. What ended up happening is, I'll leave some pictures in the description, by the way, just here, by the way. And what ended up happening is they it's an exit onto the from the A52 onto Pride Park, and missed a set of traffic lights there, missed 2 sets of gates, went over a pedestrian walkway and landed on the car next to mine, and then destroyed my vehicle at the same time. Now, my vehicle wasn't the worst hit, but it's still written off, so you know that was it. And then that was in October, and it took until January for me to get my money back, after they refused to stop giving me a hire car for the period. And obviously I didn't have my bike license at that point, and they didn't tell me they were going to stop paying the hire car, so I ended up with a bill for that, which I ended up filing another claim against the insurance company, and they ended up ultimately I got some more money back. However, I was still out of pocket for that, because they took 3 months. This was Privilege, by the way. The Privilege are part of Direct Line. And this is the thing with insurance companies, is you go to places like Compare the Market, Go Compare, whatever the fuck else you have out there, I don't care. And a lot of those insurance companies are actually all the same company, just under a different name. So how much real competition is there going to be within insurance at that point, you know what I mean? So, and obviously this time around I was looking at it, because obviously, as I've mentioned in a previous video, I am going to Donington Park later this year. And obviously MCE, the only insurance as far as I can tell, which include track day cover. To be fair, the insurance of MCE was still going to cost more to have it insured with MCE, and then getting it insured through, I think it's Hastings, and getting a separate track day cover. Plus MCE track day cover, you have to pay for half a bike. I was like, you fucking what? No. Whereas a separate track day cover, in the end, I do bin it maximum excess of £800. Still not ideal, but better than two and a half grand sort of on there. And as I was saying before, I checked out some of the insurances against other bikes I was looking at the time I bought this, as new, as in 2016 models, and they'd all halved in price as well. I was like, fuck off. Really? After 1 year? So it's not just the fact that this bike has lost some value, it's literally that 1 year has made that huge difference. I'm not sure, in my eyes I think that's particularly fair. I have 8 years no claims bonus on my car, because, you know, non-fault claim when my car was written off. To be fair, this second year of insurance on my bike is costing me less than less than the insurance quotes I had last time on my car. I don't know how much it is on my current car because it's currently, I got year 3 when buying it. I guess we'll find out next year. I suspect it'll be more than the bike. I'm sure they would take me again. You know, never mind. In fairness, the car just cost significantly more than the bike. But yeah, insurance.